Hello, this is Scott Hudgens with Dodd RV. Today we're looking at a brand new 2020 Forest River Rockwood Signature Edition 8335 SB. Front kitchen, 2 slide outs, we equip this one with awning toppers over your slides, auto leveling, has the power tongue jack, 2 30-pound LP bottles, spot for 2 batteries, LED lights on the front, automotive windshield, gives you natural light in that front kitchen. We do have a dry weight of 8,778 pounds. Flush mount windows. They are frameless, less maintenance, easy to keep clean. Your spot outside for the outside shower. $50 amp service. We did equip this with 2 air conditioners. Your black tank flush, city water, cable and satellite hookups. It does have your own light. Sewer connections down low. Slam latch compartments. Magnetic clip that holds it up. Nice and thick compartments, well insulated. That's the storage underneath the king size bed. Spot inside the bumper for storage. Rockwood is doing the rear receiver. Gives you 300 pounds of extra storage on the back so you don't have to mount anything on the bumper. Ladder access to the roof. You are prepped for backup camera. Step above entry steps, fold right up into the camper. Nice clean look. Large assist handles on both doors. Full length awning that does have the protective shield. Spot for your outside cooktop. Prep table. You do have LP connect outside. Nice storage area up front. You can move the TV outside. Your cable, electrical hookups are here. You do have outside speakers. Another storage area up front here. Your auto leveling, docking lights, and solar all in one area. Walking into the 8335 SB. See the wood look flooring. New stone decor. This is the lighter of their decors. Front kitchen, there's that front windshield. Lots of light. Theater seating, they do recline. Removable tables. You do have cup holders. Directly across from the fireplace and the TV. Fireplace does put out electric heat. IR technologies, you can sync your phone to the DVD player, control the speakers inside and out. You do have a sound bar. Fantastic fan in the living area. TV does have a hidden latch. You have storage behind it. Raised panel refrigerator. Storage drawer below. Nice pantry space. Microwave. Flush mount cover on your oven. LED lights on the front. Lots of storage in this front kitchen. You do have day and night shades, and the roller shades on the front and throughout. Order this one with the table and chairs. There is storage underneath the chairs. Moving back towards the side hallway, you can make it back to the bedroom or the bathroom. Nice room around the toilet. Glass enclosed corner shower with the overhead skylight. Another fantastic fan. The linen closet. Nice storage and vanity. Pocket door separating the bedroom and the bathroom. USB plugs throughout. King size bed. Nice storage all the way around. You do get receptacles on both sides of the bed. Spot for your cell phone, books. More storage and receptacles on the side. Storage down low. The bed does lift up. It has storage underneath it with hydraulic shocks to hold it up. And you have drawers for easy access. We equip this with the second TV in the bedroom. Nice wardrobe. You do have prepped for a washer dryer in the back cabinet. Again, we did equip it with second air conditioner, which is ducted. Speakers in the back. This brand new 2020 Forest River Rockwood Signature Edition 8335 SB. Front kitchen. New stone decor. Please give me, Scott Hutchins, a call today. Set up a time to come see it in person. 757-833-3633. Subscribe to my channel. Put new videos on daily. Thank you. Have a nice day.